Hello, friends. Jay Todd here at the World Series of Poker, where I've caught up with two-time WSOP Bracelet Winner Mark Seif. Mark, thank you so much for coming on the program.
My pleasure, Jay.
You know, Mark and I have been friends for many years, a couple of decades, and I've been to his house many times. He's had me over. And
That's not true.
a lot of it's true. I was touched when he made me godfather to his daughters, and
What? That's not true.
a lot of it's true.
Actually, none of that is true.
You did win 2 bracelets.
Okay, that part is true.
There you go. Okay. All joking aside, I guess I met Mark, 10 years ago, and at a poker school, I believe it. A lot of good it did me. I'm still doing video, and he's still winning money. But you were very gracious. You were such a good guy, and we kept in touch. And I'm down here at the WSOP as an amateur, and This Week in Gambling is for amateurs. And I think a lot of times there's an intimidation factor. I love playing poker, but I get intimidated thinking, can I really go and play at the WSOP? Oh, God, I wish I could. What about amateurs here?
Oh, amateurs every year, Jay, do very well. Some amateurs go on to do great things and win bracelets and make tons of money. You don't have to have $1 million to play in the World Series of Poker. You don't have to be a professional. You could sit down in a satellite for $100, win your way into a tournament, parlay that into a bracelet and $1 million.
Yeah, I think I saw online, what gave me the idea for this is that there are events for as little as $500 that are live events.
Colossus is $400.
Really? Okay, you're going to stake me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get there. But yeah, I mean, I came down and I didn't have the $400, but I did sit down at a cash table, put a couple $100 down, and just got the experience of sitting here and playing and looking. I just saw Phil Hellmuth walk by. Of course, he didn't look up. He didn't talk to nobody.
Yeah, that's pretty standard for Phil.
I've met Phil before too. He's a nice guy when he's not focused and trying to get in the zone. But of course, me playing, ace is cracked. Got him in good though. That's all that matters, right?
That's all you can do, Jay.
The one piece of advice you did give to me that always sticks with me, seriously, is sometimes you got to go broke.
That part is absolutely true. To play great poker, sometimes you got to put yourself at risk, and sometimes you'll get busted.
Yeah, well, if you're interested, I understand this event runs through, I think, July 20th?
That's right.
Okay, so you still have time to get down here. And if you missed it and you're watching this video after the fact, there's always next year. It's a load of fun. The people are super friendly. Don't be intimidated, no matter what your skill level is. Mark, I do appreciate you coming on. Thank you so much. You're so gracious. You're such a great guy.
Thanks, Jay. My pleasure.
And
Good luck, buddy.
here's the money you wanted. Sure.